Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, a M.Tech student from NIT Patna. I'm technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. In this lecture video, I'm going to explain you guys how we convert an kilometer per hour to meter per second in C program. Okay. So to do that, let us first declare the data types as a float. So we have to get the values of 1 kilometer per hour. So to do that, we are using the float as a data type because these value might be available in decibel or fractional values. So you have to declare a float because integer don't take the decimal values. Okay. So I'm going to declare the variable as kilometer per hour as a km. Okay. And then for meter per second I'm using as msec. Okay, msec for meter per second and kilometer per hour as kmhr. Okay, so I'm using this as a variable. So for more understanding, you can also use kilometer per hour as like this and meter underscore second. Okay, so this is more meter per second. And the next thing is you have to get the values from the user. So to get the values from the user, I have to use a printer statement for knowing the operations what we're going to perform. So get the values from user. Okay, from user. And the next thing is the scanf is used for getting the values from the user. So scanf read the values whatever the user is providing, and the printf is for printing the values whatever user has given. Okay, so here I use %of. The %of is actually used for float type. So ampersand. Okay, and then kilometer per hour is used. Okay, so we here the value whatever user is providing for kilometer per hour, it is read, and then we have to use an expression for converting the kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay, so the basic formula is kilometer per hour, the value is multiplied with 5 and then it's divided by 15. Okay, so that is a formula. Okay, and then now let us print the values of whatever user provide as a kilometer per hour and the converter value of meter per second. Okay, so both values is available in the float type, so we have to use a %of. So at first let me print the value of kilometer per hour. Okay, so which the value user has provided, and the value as we're gonna print the value of meter per second. Okay, that's equal to %of, as this value is also available as a float. Okay, so comma, we have to give the variable as a kilometer per hour. So first we're gonna print the value of kilometer per hour. The next we're gonna print the value of meter per second. Okay, so I print this value. I'm gonna use this variable. So let me run the program again. Okay, so I'm going to set the value of 1 kilometer per hour as 12. Okay, so the converted value is 3.33. Let us also verify with the formulations in the calculator. Okay, so I'm going to use a calculator here. Okay, let me type completely. Okay, so calculator. So here sorry, I have to open the calculator. Okay, so let us calculate the values whatever given here. So 12 into 5. Okay, so the value is 16 and the value is divided by 18. Okay, yeah, we got the value as 3.333. Okay, so this is the value we converted from the kilometer to meter per second. Okay, so in case if you want to find for any other kilometer per hour, then you can set the values and you can find whether the values match perfectly or not. Okay, so this is a simple C program for converting kilometer per hour to meter per second. If you guys have any doubt or comments, please post it in the comment section. Okay, thank you all for watching this video.